This journey begins in California's garlic fields, where scale and timing are everything. Harvesting at peak.
Modern harvesters allow thousands of garlic bulbs to be collected every minute. This mechanization is critical for surviving labor shortages and rising costs.
Once harvested, garlic moves directly into controlled industrial facilities. Every minute saved here protects freshness. Harvested garlic is immediately consolidated at scale. Speed at this stage prevents spoilage and preserves quality. Every load is weighed and logged automatically. Accurate intake data is essential for yield planning and cost control. This is where raw agriculture meets industrial precision. Bulk intake systems keep the process moving without bottlenecks. At this stage, soil is removed using high-capacity rotating drums. Clean input is essential for downstream efficiency.
Air cleaning removes remaining debris without damaging the bulbs. This step protects equipment further down the line.
Optical systems sort garlic by size in milliseconds. Uniformity here ensures consistent processing and packaging.
Human inspection adds a final quality safeguard. This hybrid approach balances automation with experience.
Washing removes residual soil while maintaining bulb integrity. Controlled flow prevents damage at scale.
Rapid surface drying prepares garlic for storage or further processing. Moisture control is critical.
Curing stabilizes garlic for long-term storage. This step allows producers to sell year-round despite seasonal harvests.
Automation allows precise inventory control. Every crate is tracked for freshness and destination.
High-speed peelers prepare garlic for fresh and processed markets. Efficiency here defines throughput.
Byproducts are removed instantly, keeping the line clean and fast. Nothing interrupts the workflow.
Grading ensures consistent product sizes. This step allows multiple markets to be served simultaneously.
A final rinse ensures cleanliness before packaging. Precision here protects brand trust. Automation allows thousands of packages per hour. Speed and consistency keep costs competitive. This garlic is now ready for distribution. Industrial efficiency makes domestic production viable. These holding silos buffer production at massive scale. They ensure the factory never pauses, even during peak demand. Automated conveyors balance supply across the facility. This coordination maximizes throughput while reducing waste. Separating cloves efficiently is essential for downstream processing. Automation here replaces hours of manual labor. Alignment allows machines to process cloves accurately at high speed. Precision prevents jams and downtime. Vision systems detect defects faster than the human eye. Only premium-grade cloves continue forward.
Trimming prepares garlic for fresh and processed markets. Uniformity improves cooking and packaging performance.
For processed products, garlic is chopped at scale. Consistent size ensures even flavor distribution. Minced garlic allows producers to reach high-volume food service markets. Texture precision defines product quality. A secondary wash removes any residue from trimming. Cleanliness here ensures food safety compliance.
Blending creates consistency across batches. Uniform paste ensures reliable flavor for industrial buyers.
Flash freezing locks in flavor. This allows garlic to be stored and shipped globally.
Vacuum sealing protects garlic paste from oxidation. This step extends freshness without additives.
Individually frozen pieces prevent clumping. This improves usability for restaurants and manufacturers.
Drying reduces weight and extends shelf life. Garlic flakes serve global seasoning markets.
Cooling stabilizes dried garlic before grinding or packing. Controlled cooling prevents condensation.
Powder production allows precise dosing for food manufacturers. Milling accuracy defines flavor consistency. Sifting ensures uniform particle size. This improves blending and shelf stability. Bulk storage allows flexible fulfillment. Garlic can now serve multiple markets worldwide. This diversification is how American garlic survives. One crop becomes many products, feeding global demand. Automated weight checks ensure every package meets retail standards. Accuracy protects margins at scale. This line packages fresh garlic at industrial speed. Net bags balance airflow, protection, and cost efficiency.
Robotics reduce labor dependency. Case packing happens faster and more consistently than manual handling.
Sealing and labeling finalize traceability. Every case is logged for distribution control.
Palletizing prepares garlic for bulk transport. Automation ensures stability and speed. Controlled filling ensures consistent flavor and portioning. Precision protects brand reliability.
Torque-controlled sealing preserves freshness. Consistent seals prevent spoilage during transport.
Pasteurization ensures food safety. Heat is applied precisely without altering flavor.
Frozen formats demand precision. Accurate filling maintains consistency across millions of units.
Sealing in cold conditions protects structure and flavor. Temperature discipline is critical. Nitrogen flushing prevents oxidation. Shelf life is extended without preservatives.
Dried flakes are packaged for global seasoning markets. Lightweight formats reduce shipping costs.
Powder formats demand accuracy. Folding pockets. Small deviations multiply at industrial scale.
Induction seals protect against moisture ingress. This safeguards flavor and flowability.
One facility serves many markets. Intelligent sorting enables flexible fulfillment.
Mixed pallets reduce downstream handling. Efficiency extends beyond the factory floor. Internal logistics move faster than trucks. These systems keep inventory in motion.
Real-time inventory tracking eliminates guesswork. Data drives survival in competitive markets.
Orders are customized by destination. Flexibility keeps domestic producers competitive. This is the final pause before global movement. From here, garlic enters the world market.
Shipping begins with precise dock coordination. Every minute saved here compounds across thousands of shipments.
Pre-cooling ensures that garlic enters a stable cold chain. Temperature control protects quality.
Fast loading minimizes temperature exposure. Efficiency here preserves shelf life.
Once sealed, the cold chain remains unbroken. This discipline separates survival from failure. Distribution happens daily, at scale. Consistency keeps domestic garlic competitive. Regional hubs shorten delivery distances. This reduces cost and response time. Cross-docking eliminates storage delays. Speed becomes a competitive advantage.
Retail-specific routing ensures accuracy. Mistakes at this stage are costly.
Rewrapping stabilizes loads for last-mile delivery. Protection prevents losses. This is the final distribution step. From here, garlic moves directly to shelves.
Retail centers rely on precision deliveries. Timing determines shelf availability.
Bulk shipments are divided for individual stores. Efficiency keeps prices stable.
After weeks of logistics, garlic reaches consumers fresh and intact.
This single choice represents an entire supply chain working flawlessly.
Food service accounts for massive garlic demand. Scale keeps menus affordable.
From factory to kitchen, consistency matters. Chefs rely on uniform quality.
Industrial buyers depend on reliable supply. Garlic fuels countless products.
This operation supports thousands of jobs. Survival depends on scale, efficiency, and adaptation. Against global competition, American garlic survives through innovation and relentless efficiency.
Global competition is relentless. Domestic producers must outperform on efficiency, not price alone.
Automation reduces labor costs and errors. Data-driven control keeps margins alive.
Energy efficiency lowers operating costs. Survival now depends on sustainable scale.
Nothing is wasted. Byproduct recovery improves margins and environmental compliance.
Strategic storage turns one harvest into year-round supply. This is how domestic garlic survives.
Diversification spreads risk. One crop now feeds multiple markets.
Meeting international standards opens global markets. Compliance is non-negotiable.
Exports extend reach beyond borders. Efficiency must hold at every mile.
Stability comes from long-term contracts. Predictable demand secures survival.
The factory never sleeps. Continuity keeps output consistent.
At peak capacity, efficiency defines survival. Every system must perform.
Efficiency keeps prices stable. Consumers feel the impact without noticing the system. Success isn't always visible. Consistent supply matters more than recognition.
Survival depends on innovation. The next upgrade is always in development.
Data predicts demand before it happens. Planning replaces guesswork. The cycle never ends. Preparation for the next harvest starts now.
Survival comes down to scale, control, and discipline.
This is a closed loop. Efficiency at every stage sustains the whole system.
Against global pressure, American garlic endures.
From soil to table, this is how survival is engineered.